vlog. So we wanted to make sure we filmed something today, so Lacey insisted we're going crabbing. Trisha's working. And it is warm out here. And the tides are, it's a low tide right now. So I'm not exactly sure what we're going to get. The crabs are out there regardless. But we're going to spend a little bit of time here and see what happens.
So, Lacey and I decided to go to Holt's Landing. We got 6 lines in. We do have a keeper already. It's down in the basket. Been here, what, about 15? We'll wait till we get a little bit more. Been here about 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so, so we're really just kind of getting started.
All right.
We got 1 crab.
We got the 1 crab in the first 2 minutes. It's too hot out there. We're in between tides. It just wasn't meant to be today. And I'm really kind of lightheaded, so I can't be out there any longer. So, but I got to spend time with Lacey, crabbing, and that's worth it. So we'll figure out what's next on the agenda. But I got to sit here for a minute in the air conditioning. Actually, I went here to bed.
So we stopped off at Hawker's just because it's on the way home, and she got a sandwich, a little bit of salad, and that was in a hot bar. Thought I'd spend a little Lacey and me time, and that's what we're doing.
We are still trying to get home. Sitting in traffic. Started between
4:30.
between Dewey and
Rehoboth.
yeah, between Dewey and Rehoboth. It's just normal beach traffic. Just trying to get home. So
Hour and a half.
been a while.